Good morning, this is Chris Allen. Here's my update for week 18. This week in Calc AB, we will be looking at the definite integral, which looks something like this. So it looks like the indefinite integral, but with an upper and lower limit. And then I will introduce the biggest probably idea of all of calculus, something called the fundamental theorem of calculus. There's actually two parts. I have the first part here, which basically allows us to quickly and pretty easily evaluate definite integrals. In Calc BC, we're going to look at improper integrals. So an improper integral would be an integral, a definite integral that integrates to an infinity or integrates over, let's say, an asymptote. In geometry, we have our big Chapter 5 test Tuesday and Wednesday. So today we're reviewing for that. And then later on this week, we'll start Chapter 6. Here we have a picture of a triangle, and I've got the perpendicular bisectors drawn of that triangle, and it turns out that they intersect at a place called the circumcenter. So here we are getting towards the end of the semester. It's December 4th today. So we've kind of got kind of a mixed bag. We have some students that are scrambling to get all their missing work in and really working hard. And then we have students that have just kind of shut down and said, this is it. I'm hoping that I can motivate more students to get things done and turned in time. Help students prepare for their final exams. This is particularly important for for the calculus classes, because in AP Calculus A, B, and BC, the only final exam they'll take from me is this semester's exam, because next semester they take the AP exam, which exempts them from having to take my final exam. Final note here, I'm going to move my picture out of the way, is we are starting to plan for next year. Next semester is kind of already locked in, but next year, students, and particularly in geometry CP, I've been asked to recommend them for either Algebra 2 CP or Algebra 2. In most cases, I recommend the student takes CP Algebra 2, but there have been a few students that I've recommended take just the regular Algebra 2 based on what I've observed this year in terms of testing and quizzes and work ethic. If you have any questions about that, please let me know. Thank you for your attention and have a great week.